guys, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy pizza recipe using these ingredients. For this recipe, you're going to need bread, flour, water, oil, sugar, salt, and yeast. We're going to begin by waking up the yeast, and this is 1 teaspoon of yeast. You're going to put it in a cup of warm water. You're also going to need sugar, and which one is sugar? Good question. 1 teaspoon of sugar, because yeast doesn't like salt. So if you were to put the salt in here, the yeast is never going to wake up. Whisk. And then you're gonna set this aside. In the meantime, you're gonna get all of your dry ingredients ready. To your mixing bowl, you're gonna add 2.5 cups of bread flour or all-purpose flour. I'm gonna be using bread flour because I feel like it makes a huge difference when you're trying to make a good pizza dough. You're also gonna need 1 teaspoon of salt, and you're gonna mix everything together. Now that our yeast has activated, we're gonna incorporate it to our dry ingredients. You will know that your yeast is activated because it forms a foam cap on top. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and we're gonna give this a quick mix using our mixer. Let this go for 5 minutes. Once the dough is nice and soft, like this, you're gonna spray it in here, and then you're going to drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. That. This. All right, guys. Now that your dough is ready, you're gonna let this double in size. If you have the time, you can let it ferment for 24 hours just to give it a different taste and a different texture. 10 out of 10 recommend for you to do this. Now the pizza dough is ready for you to make your pizzas, calzones, breadsticks, whatever it is that you're going to make. If you want to see what I make with this pizza dough, stay tuned for the next video. Bye.
Hey, 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 dale gas. Hey, 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 yeah, yeah, hey.